Okay, next is one of these. It's a brass master padlock, shrouded, and unlocked. Now locked, shrouded padlock. So obviously padlock shims won't work on this lock. Single pin picking was quite a nightmare for such a little lock. I also raked it with a Bigato, and I've also opened it with a pit gun, but for a little lock they're a nightmare. Seems that all these brass type locks made by Master seem to be a better spec than a lot of the others. I'm going to bump this one, which was the quickest way to open it, using an M13 bump key. I'm actually using one that I filed down, but M13 is the right profile key should you want to make one yourself. As you can see, there's one I filed down myself just to make a bump key. I'm using 2 grommets and a 2mm washer, and even with the right washers and everything else, it's still a nightmare to bump. For such a small lock, I mean, I'd expect to have been in by now. I've opened locks a lot better quality than this by now. Oh, there we go. There it is, as you can see. Even with the right settings, still a nightmare of a lock. It has gone. Took a while though, as you saw, but there you go. It's the Master. That's the small size of the shrouded brass style locks.